Where to invest in 2025? Crypto, stocks, or real estate? As we enter 2025, investors are faced with an important decision: where to put their money for the best returns. With financial markets constantly evolving, the debate between cryptocurrency, stocks, and real estate has never been more intense. Each asset class has its advantages and risks, making it crucial for investors to analyze their options carefully. While some seek the high returns of crypto, others prefer the stability of real estate or the long-term growth potential of stocks. But which one is the best choice in 2025? Cryptocurrency. High risk, high reward. Cryptocurrency has been one of the last decade's most controversial yet lucrative investment options. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other digital assets have proven their ability to deliver massive gains but have also been subject to extreme volatility. Despite past market crashes, crypto remains an attractive investment due to increasing institutional adoption and technological advancements. One of the biggest reasons to consider investing in crypto in 2025 is its growing acceptance by major financial institutions. Traditional banks, hedge funds, and governments are exploring integrating cryptocurrencies into their economic systems. This adoption could lead to higher demand and increased value for digital assets. Moreover, the rise of decentralized finance, DeFi, is creating new opportunities for earning passive income through staking, lending, and yield farming. However, investing in cryptocurrency comes with significant risks. The market is highly volatile, with prices swinging drastically in short periods. While some investors have made fortunes, others have suffered heavy losses. Additionally, regulatory uncertainty continues to be a significant concern. Governments worldwide are tightening crypto regulations, and new policies could impact the industry's growth. Security is another issue, as hacks and scams remain prevalent in crypto. Cryptocurrency can be a rewarding investment for those with a high risk tolerance and a long-term perspective. However, investing only a portion of your portfolio in digital assets is best rather than relying on them entirely. Stocks. The traditional powerhouse of investing. The stock market has long been considered one of the most reliable ways to build wealth. Despite short-term market fluctuations, stocks have historically provided consistent long-term returns. Investing in a diversified stock portfolio allows individuals to benefit from economic growth, technological advancements, and corporate profits. One key advantage of investing in stocks is their accessibility. Unlike real estate, which requires a substantial upfront investment, stocks can be purchased with small amounts of capital. Additionally, investors have many options, from blue-chip companies with stable dividends to high-growth tech stocks with significant upside potential. Several industries are expected to drive stock market growth in 2025. Artificial intelligence, biotechnology, renewable energy, and electric vehicles are among the sectors poised for rapid expansion. Companies leading these industries could see their stock prices rise significantly, creating investor opportunities. Moreover, with inflation still a concern, many businesses that can pass rising costs onto consumers may perform well in the stock market. However, stocks are not without risks. Economic uncertainty, interest rate changes, and global events can impact stock prices. Market downturns are inevitable, and investors must be prepared for temporary losses. Additionally, picking individual stocks requires careful research, as not all companies will succeed in the long run. Stocks remain a solid investment choice for those looking for long-term wealth accumulation. A diversified portfolio with a mix of established companies and emerging industry leaders can help mitigate risks while capturing potential growth. Real estate, stability and passive income. Real estate has always been a popular investment due to its ability to provide stability and passive income. Unlike stocks or crypto, real estate is a tangible asset, making it a safe haven during economic uncertainty. Properties tend to appreciate over time, offering investors long-term wealth accumulation and rental income opportunities. One of the biggest advantages of real estate is its ability to generate steady cash flow. Rental properties provide a consistent income stream, making them an attractive option for investors seeking financial security. Additionally, real estate serves as a hedge against inflation. As prices rise, property values and rental income typically increase, preserving investors' purchasing power. Specific real estate markets are expected to perform exceptionally well in 2025. With the rise of remote work, suburban and rural properties are becoming more desirable. Commercial real estate sectors such as data centers, logistics warehouses, and co-living spaces are also gaining traction. Investors who strategically choose high-demand locations can benefit from substantial returns. Despite its many advantages, real estate also has drawbacks. The initial investment required to buy a property is significantly higher than investing in stocks or crypto. Property maintenance, management, and unexpected expenses can also add financial burdens. Furthermore, real estate is less liquid than stocks or cryptocurrency, meaning it may take time to sell an asset when needed. Real estate is an excellent choice for investors looking for long-term stability and passive income. However, it requires careful planning and a willingness to manage properties or hire professionals to handle them. Final verdict. Where should you invest in 2025? Each investment option offers unique benefits and risks, making determining a single, best choice difficult. The right investment depends on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment timeline. If you seek high returns and are comfortable with volatility, cryptocurrency might be a great addition to your portfolio. It offers exciting opportunities, but only for those willing to accept the risks. However, its unpredictability makes it wise to limit your exposure and not rely entirely on crypto investments. Stocks remain one of the best choices for those who prefer steady growth and long-term wealth building. A well-diversified stock portfolio can help you maximize economic growth while minimizing risks. Investing in industries with strong future potential, such as AI, biotech, and green energy, could yield excellent results. Real estate remains a substantial investment for those who value stability and passive income. Real estate can be a powerful wealth-building tool if you have the capital and are willing to manage properties. It is desirable for investors looking to hedge against inflation and generate consistent cash flow. Ultimately, the best investment strategy for 2025 may involve diversifying across all three asset classes. By allocating some of your funds into cryptocurrency, stocks, and real estate, you can spread your risk and maximize your chances of long-term success. Before making any investment decisions, be sure to do thorough research, stay updated on market trends, and consult with financial experts. The investment landscape is constantly changing, and those who remain informed and adaptable will have the best chance of achieving economic success in 2025 and beyond. Let me know in the comments section below. What do you think of our video? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.